Hello everyone. This is Hachat. Today I'm going to discuss a step-by-step guide to set up custom headers for using the IFS REST partner connector in Boomi process. So if you can see on my screen, let's say this is a dummy process I created to explain the steps. So why we will have to create this custom headers, which means we will use this custom headers when there is an unsupported content type or for the responses that we are getting from IFS or while sending it to IMS. So this is that, and first we will define the content type using the set property shape. You can see it here. So then, followed by adding a property shape, adding a DPP like dynamic document property, and then giving the content type to accept the unsupported content type. So let's see how we can do that. So I just took the set property shape. Let me just cross-check this. I'll just do it from the beginning. So I just took the set property set. So always you have to put the set properties like shape before the IFS, this pass partner connector. So I'm just going to configure how you have to do it. I'm just adding a dynamic document properties, selecting it, and I'm just giving the property name. You can give it the way you want it. I'm just giving, since we are accepting the headers here, I'm giving the in header content type. And then giving the static value as the application, ./JSON, and click. Okay, so this is the first thing, and you have to add another dynamic document property to accept this. So I'm just giving the property name as inherited except, and then put the static value as saying application slashes, and then you're good to go. So what you have after you have configured your set property shape, you just have to, add this to your property before the ifs connector, and then whatever the headers you are unsupported headers you are getting or you're passing. This will be accepted by this DDP headers that you have set up. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Click the Set Property Shape to begin defining the content type for your IFS REST partner connector setup in Boomi. Click Dynamic Document Property and header_content type to select the dynamic document property for the content type header. Click the area to add a new property shape for the custom header configuration. Click OK to confirm the addition of the property shape. Click OK again to finalize the property shape setup. Click the Set Property Shape area to continue configuring the custom headers. Fill in the required information to specify the property details for the custom header. Click the area to add another property shape for additional header configuration. Click the area again to proceed with the header setup. Click Document Property, Dynamic Document Property, Dynamic Process Property, MIME Property, Process Property to select the appropriate property type for the header. Fill in the property type selection to specify the header property category. Click Property Name Required to enter the name of the custom header property. Switch to Community, Boomi.com to reference the property naming conventions. Click in Header Content Type to select the content type header name. Header Content Type again to confirm the selection of the content type header. Switch to Platform, Boomi.com to continue the configuration process. Click Property Name Required to input the property name for the header. Fill in Header Content Type to specify the exact property name for the content type header. Click OK to save the property name configuration. Click Dynamic Document Property and header_content type to review the dynamic document property settings. Click the area to proceed with setting the static value for the content type. Switch to Community, Boomi.com to verify the static value for the content type header. Click Application/JSON to select the static value representing the content type format. Switch to Platform, Boomi.com to finalize the static value configuration. Click Static Value Required to enter the static value for the content type header. Fill Application/JSON to specify the static value as Application/JSON. Click OK to confirm the static value entry. Click the area to add another property shape for the accept header configuration. Click Document Property, Dynamic Document Property, Dynamic Process Property, MIME Property of Process Property to select the property type for the accept header. Fill in the property type selection for the accept header configuration. Switch to Community. Boomi.com to reference the accept header property name. Click in Header Accept to select the accept header name. Switch to Platform. Boomi.com to continue configuring the accept header. Click Property Name required to input the property name for the accept header. Click OK to save the accept header property name. Click Dynamic Document Property and Header Accept to review the accept header dynamic document property. Click the area to proceed with setting the static value for the accept header. Switch to community.boomi.com to verify the static value for the accept header. Click Application JSON to select the static value representing the accept header format. Switch to Platform, Boomi.com to finalize the static value configuration for the accept header. Click Static Value required to enter the static value for the accept header. Fill application/JSON to specify the static value as application/JSON for the accept header. Click OK to confirm the static value entry for the accept header. Click OK to finalize the accept header configuration. Click the area to add the final property shape for the custom header setup. Fill in the email address field with your email address to complete the configuration. Click the area to proceed with the final steps of the setup. Click the area to finish the custom header configuration process. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.